Hey everyone, well, Josh here, or the Ham and Caver, and I have a box. This came from OrcaTorch and the outdoor equipment expert. This is a new light that I'm going to review, which is handy because I'm going caving tomorrow, so we're going to try it out there. But right now, we're just going to unbox this portion of it. I haven't done one of these in a while. I guess it was probably last year when I last did it. Alright, so comes wrapped in bubble wrap. Alright, this is the T20 Pro. Has a really nice carrying case here. I'm really happy with that. Looks good. OrcaTorch T20 Pro. We're going to go ahead and open up the case now. It is important to note this case is not waterproof, so there's no seal or anything. It's not like a Pelican case or anything, but as you can see here, it does have the nice foam lining, so it's packed really well. There's the holster. Ooh, it actually has 2 batteries. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. I thought it only had 1. I got 2 of them now, which is really good, and these are 3,000 milliamp hour batteries. Nice. Yeah, I was expecting just 1. All right, here is the battery charger, the USB to charge port for the flashlight itself, 2 extra O-rings, throw a little Orca sticker, and of course your user manual and your warranty card. And last but not least, the actual light itself. There it is. OrcaTorch T20 Pro. Has a clip. Has the light switch here. I don't have a battery in it or it would turn on, but you also have a switch up front as well. Real nice lightweight aluminum housing. Says it's water resistant, but it has this open port here, so that's kind of curious. Go ahead and put a battery in and see how it works. There's no beam adjustment or anything like that. I guess this is your brightness adjuster. And this is your brightness, and this is your power switch. Alright, so there we go. Just the initial unboxing. And tomorrow we'll take it into a cave and we'll actually test it out. I'll get this thing charged up and we'll see how she does.